welcome back to my channel. If you didn't know, my name is Devota, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and welcome. Anyways, today I'm just gonna be doing a Crumbl cookie review. Right now we're going to Crumbl cookie, and then you guys gonna come along with me. I'm gonna go get my nails done and my toes done.
Oh shit.
So yeah, just gonna come along with me. And Ogie sits on the camera right now. Say hi to the camera.
Bonjour.
Yeah, so once we get to Crumbl cookie,
my hand
I will
hurts.
hit you guys back up.
Hold up. My hand hurts. Okay, go.
Bye guys.
I'm taking over your vlog.
Both me and Ogista have never had Crumbl cookies, so
Both Ogista and I.
so this should be This should be interesting. Stop trying to be.
Look, the police station, guys.
What? You're not even recorded the right way.
Bro, this is my first time recording this shit. Look, shit. Never mind.
Nah, that's the sidewalk.
So when are we supposed to go like?
I've been done it a long time ago.
Look at that. Now it's going. Wait, it's two of them?
Oh my gosh, you keep pausing it.
I thought Billy B was a guy. Who's Billy B? Wait.
Babe, you're gonna.
Shut up.
I just wanna rock next nigga on the top. Wanna see me on the with a drop. If you ever finish now, think I just be caught out. Give me no money, talk, nigga just for fun. How you done? I don't know what I mean. Fuck like a nigga just want hit me. You be fast on mine, instead of I carry bitches like a prego.
I carry bitches like I'm prego.
I'm a good man, shake your head.
I'm supposed to stop the music.
I said from the back. Oh Lord, I think I can just record this by myself.
You complain so much.
From the back, not the front. Give it to me.
Don't play with it. Don't
Give
play
it to
with
me.
I'm carrying bitches like I'm prego.
Give me my.
They're making their cookies.
Which one do you want? I think it's
The one that tastes good.
I don't know which one.
That milky chocolate thing, it look good.
I want the milk chocolate, the Kentucky butter cake, the sugar, that one.
That sugar?
I mean the classic pink sugar.
I thought you were only getting 4.
Yeah, that's 1, 2, 3.
Chocolate cake. Look. We get the best of both worlds. Why are we recording, bro? Oh, they got the new technology. How do you feel ordering for the first time? What is that? Is that ice cream? Why don't you get ice cream? Oh. Getting tip on YouTube.
Can I get my phone so I can Apple Pay it?
Go ahead. This is her phone number, guys.
I think it is.
Oh, she don't know what she's doing. Smile, you're on camera. Smile, you're on camera. You don't know what you're doing. This is too advanced for her. She goes to pay you.
Okay, I think I'm done.
She thinks you're done. Do you know you're done?
Yes, I know I'm done.
I'm right here. I'm attractive.
Let's do a thumbnail. Thumbnail. Say just smile. I said smile. I love. Anyways, guys, we got the chocolate. Hold it. This one here is the chocolate cake. We got the chocolate chip one, and then we got the. Which one is this one?
Some shit that has pink on it.
And then I don't know what this one is, but anyway, we're about to
I can't even see that, bro.
review them.
Wish nigga, no phone.
Okay,
Cause we fat.
just split them in half, and then we'll see which one.
Do you really think we about to finish all this, bro? I'm looking at him like, Hold up. You gotta break bread like the way Jesus did. And they split.
Anyways, this one's the chocolate chip.
This don't look like it's cooked all the way.
I don't think she's going wrong.
It looks like too much sugar is in this, bro.
I like it. There is a lot of sugar.
Yeah, I can tell. It's soft.
What you think about it?
It's soft.
Should have gone water.
It's actually good.
Yeah, that's good.
The chip is actually good.
Which one's it?
When your woman is feeling salty,
Oh,
smack her with one of this.
next, the chocolate cake one. Oh, this one look. It's gonna be messy.
How you go? Oh, you just touched the cream, bro.
This is so messy.
Well, it did say chocolate cake. Yeah, this looks just like chocolate cake.
I'm not a big fan of chocolate cakes stuff.
Hell no.
That's
This
pretty
is
good
it.
though.
This is it.
I'm in a big fat water after this.
I'm gonna need to hit the gym and talk to my doctor before I get type 2 diabetes.
This right here,
This is called type 2 diabetes, bro.
slapping.
You eat this, you'll want to get type 2 diabetes. It's worth it. Health don't matter when you're happy. When your woman is stressing you out, get you some type 2 diabetes chocolate cake from Crumbl Cake. Is it Crumbl?
Crumbl cookies.
Crumbl cookie. Oh, that's not.
Okay, next one.
Next one, I didn't even finish mine. Why you eating so fast? And then he took the pink
It's like a strawberry something.
and it. I have to put my thumb on there. And it.
Baby, just
Split it in half.
split that one in half.
No, that's too big. You take the bigger one. No, this is not it for me. This tastes like.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of that one either.
You know, on Valentine's or Christmas when you go to school
Them
and
cookies.
elementary and then them cookies.
The pink ones. The ones that we have.
That's
Those are
what
my
that-
favorites.
See, that's why you went to this place. But I'm like, that's what that cream tastes like. You know that?
No cream, yeah.
It reminds me of elementary. Them days where I didn't bring
Them
nothing back.
frosted cookies.
That's what this one reminds me of. So far, I like the chocolate chip
You mean the chocolate cake?
and the chocolate cake. I don't know.
So which?
And then here's the one full of nuts.
Boy, that's powder.
Just come.
Don't get my car dirty.
They sprinkle some cum. You gotta see it open. Wow. And then split it again.
You're literally making a mess in my car.
It's okay.
Talking about some split again. Split again.
It's okay. It ain't my car. This is just like chocolate chip. This is just like the same. This has chocolate chip. They're the same. They just put white powder on it.
I like this one.
It's the same.
Yeah.
This just has chocolate chip on it.
I like it.
Bite this one. You will not tell the difference. Now bite that one. Right, no difference. But they big. If I was a cookie fan, I would go to this place.
I like it. I would come back. And every week they have like new ones.
Really new ones.
New flavors. These are the flavors of the week. And they have like different,
Every week they got a new flavor. What?
like different cookies.
So what if I,
Anyways,
hold on.
guys,
What if I came? I like the chocolate chip, and I want to come back and get
they
chocolate chip,
usually
but
have
then they
that
don't
all
have
the
it.
time.
Okay, what if I want this pink one?
I don't know what to tell you. Come again next week, buddy.
But then next week they're gonna have a new flavor.
I don't know. I told you. Anyways, guys, I'll review on it. I like them.
If you're a cookie fan, go to it.
My favorite one is the chocolate chip and the chocolate cake one. What's your favorite one?
The chocolate cake and the chocolate chip.
I also like this one, not gonna lie. The only one I didn't really like was the pink one.
No pink.
But yeah,
And usually I like the strawberry one.
would we come back? Yes.
Huh?
It's pretty good. So yes, I'll
You
come
will
back.
come back.
You wouldn't come back?
I'm on a diet.
You wouldn't eat it again?
I'm on a diet.
Okay, skip your diet. Without
On my
your
cheat
diet.
days?
Yes, on your cheat days.
Like for cookie wise, I'm not a fan of cookies. But if you like cookies, this is the place to go.
Recommended.
I'm not a big fan of cookies, but this was actually good.
Anyways, yeah. Can you drive?
I can't.
Anyways, next we're about to go to the car wash. He's about to go wash my car.
I'm not washing your car. The people I'm paying for.
Well, he's gonna pay for my car to get washed because my car is very dirty. So
Disgusting. Ugh. I looked at that car. I said, ugh. How can anybody drive this?
before I go get my nails done,
Ugh.
and before we part ways,
I'm gonna vomit on you like Madonna's background singer.
I need
Oh
some,
wait, he was Lady Gaga.
I need
not
some
Madonna.
water. Is what I
I'll
really
be
need.
vomit on you too. And you gonna be like Lady Gaga, like
I need water.
water.
But then I don't want water.
You want Robert?
I don't want a rough neck. No.
Water, oh water. It's just water. Oh water, oh water. Water.
Thumbnail.
It's just
Thumbnail. Thumbnail. Do you know what a thumbnail is?
I don't know. I think you're saying my thumb. The
No,
nails on my.
thumbnail.
Oopla.
30 hertz straight up.
Oopla.
30 hertz straight up.
Anyways, guys, so I just got done with my nails and then I went to Wendy's to get me some food because I was hungry. And right now I am about to go back home and try to take a nap after I eat because I have work later. So yeah, but anyways, I just want to say thank you guys for tuning in, and I really appreciate the love and the support. If you're new, subscribe. If not, keep subscribing, keep sharing my stuff. Don't forget to like, comment, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys again in another video. Bye.